make money online. Friends, in this video I will show you how you can earn free money, and you can withdraw that money into your PayPal, Amazon gift card, bank card, Google Play UPI coming soon. So you just need to just download the app from the Play Store. I will provide you the link in the description. Once you done that, you will be able to earn free money by claiming daily basis coins, and after that you will be able to withdraw your money using Paytm, Flipkart, Amazon gift card, bank card. And mostly this website is actually helpful for my Indian friends. So this video will help a lot. As you can see there, someone just withdraw 240 pesos, so you can just earn different money and doing different tasks just like that. You will be able to earn free money. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And once you join the application, you have to just follow different steps. You can daily check and claim coins as well, and you can see shop as well. You can also exchange your coins to their products like iPhone 12 and wireless earbuds like these Barcelona or your Messi shirts and electric scooter. You can get for free all of these stuff. So if your friends you join my network, you'll be able to get 100 coins bonus. So that can help you to get more reward in the future. The more you refer, the more you get bonus and earn money. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.